On December 18th, 2025, Alberta, Canada took a direct hit from an intense winter storm. The hardest impact stretched from the Calgary area to Airdrie, running along major transport corridors like Highway 2 and Highway 3. This wasn't just heavy snowfall, it was powerful wind lifting snow into full whiteout conditions, ice glazing the road surface, turning an ordinary day into an emergency in motion. Subscribe to Global Weather Disasters and leave one short comment. Have you ever driven in whiteout? What did you do to stay safe? Sometimes one small real story is exactly what stops someone else from repeating a deadly mistake.